Did you know you can shop almost anywhere with your iPhone directly through Google Pay, even if Apple Pay is your phone's default? Let's get this set up and unlock a world of payments beyond the Apple ecosystem. First things first, head over to your iPhone's App Store. We need to download the official Google Pay app. Just search for Google Pay, tap the download button, and let it install on your device. It's that simple. Once Google Pay is installed, open the app. You'll be greeted with a clean interface. Look for the option to add a payment method, usually represented by a plus sign or a button that says Add a Card. Tap on Add a Card, and you'll have a couple of options. You can manually enter your card details, or for a quicker setup, position your credit or debit card within the frame of your iPhone's camera. Google Pay will automatically scan and retrieve the necessary information. After the scan or manual entry, review the card details to ensure everything is accurate. You'll likely need to agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap the confirmation button to add your card to Google Pay. And just like that, your card is added. Now you're ready to use Google Pay for online purchases. When you see the Google Pay option at checkout, simply select it and confirm with your phone's Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. For in-store payments, where contactless is accepted and Google Pay is an option, simply unlock your iPhone, open the Google Pay app, and hold your phone near the payment terminal to complete your transaction. It's a convenient alternative for all your shopping expeditions.